So in this lecture, we'll be doing problems of general term, integral term, and rational terms. So for the expansion of x plus a power n, the general term is given by the formula NCR x power n minus r a power r. So we have a question from JEE 2019 based on this. The question is, you have to find the ratio of fifth term from the beginning to the fifth term from the ending in the binomial expansion of 2 power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 power 1 by 3 whole power 10. So we know that in this expansion, there will be 11 terms and the power is 10, there will be 11 terms. So if you want fifth term from the ending, if you count backward, 11th, 10th, 9th, 8th, and 7th, seventh term is nothing but seventh term from the beginning is fifth term from the ending. So basically you have to find the ratio of fifth term from beginning by fifth term from ending, which is seventh term from beginning. So T5 by T7. So using this formula, now when you want to write T5, we'll take R equal to 4, taking n as 10. So NCR is 10C4, x power n minus r is 2 power 1 by 3 power 10 minus 4. And a power r is the second term power 4. And if you have to find T7, you put r as 6, then NCR would be 10C6. X power n minus r means 2 power 1 by 3 power 10 minus 6. A power r is the second term power of 6. Then since you know that NCR is same as NCn minus r, 10C4 will cancel with 10C6. And rest of the terms when you simplify, so this is going to give you the answer as 4 into 36 power 1 by 3. So choice 4 is the correct answer for this. Now coming to the second question, this is also from JEE 2019, which is also involving logarithms. The fourth term in the binomial expansion is given. You have to find the value of x. So whenever you want to find fourth term, TR plus 1 format, if you write, R will be 3. So n will be the power which is 6. So NCR would be 6C3 into the first term 2 by x power of 6 minus 3 into the second term x power log x base 10 whole power of 3. And this value is already given to us as 20 into 8 power 7. So let's simplify this. And what is the value of 6C3? So you know that 6C3 would be 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. So that will give you 20. So you can write 6C3, you replace with 20 into 2 power 3 by x power 3 is 8 by x cube. So write 8 by x cube for second one. And the third part, you can write x power log x base 10 whole cube. Let me write as it is first. X power log x base 10 whole cube. And the right hand side that we have is 20 into 8 power 7. 20 into 8 power 7. So 20 will cancel out. And 8 and 8 power 7 you cancel out, we'll get 8 power 6 also. And to simplify this log part, what I'll do, assume that log x base 10 is equal to some k. This will be giving you x equal to 10 power k. So here we can write 8, I'll cancel with this and write 8 power 6. In the power, you can see in the numerator, you can see x will be replaced with 10 power k. Whole power log x base 10, you can replace with k, again whole power 3. In the denominator, x cube will be 10 power k whole cube is equal to right hand side is 8 power 6. So this is same as 10 power k whole power k is 10 power k square into 3 will give you 10 power 3k square. In the denominator, you have 10 power 3k is equal to 8 power 6. Cube on both sides are saying. Yeah. So you can write 10 power k square minus k whole cube. And here it's 8 power 6. So you cancel this, it will become 8 square. So 10 power k square minus k is equal to 8 square. And what is the value you are supposed to find out? X, which is 10 power k. You have to find out x, which is actually 10 power k. So how do you find the value? 10 power k square will be equal to 64 into 10 power k. So which value is satisfying this?
Yes, sir. I guess you can put values.
Value 10 power k whole power k equal to 64 into 10 power k. So which value is satisfying from options? You check based on that instead of solving directly. So the answer that they gave was third option. I think x equal to 1 by 8 square. Let us check. If x is 1 by 8 square, what is the meaning of that? 10 power k is 1 by 8 square. So let us substitute that as 1 by 8 square and check. 1 by 8 square power k is equal to 64 into 10 power k is 1 by 8 square. So this is 1. And 1 by 8 square power k is there. k, if you put 0, then only it is satisfying. So k is 0 means x is 10 power 0, but it won't satisfy. No?
Sir, I think they gave fourth option or something.
Let me check the answer key. Answer given is, they gave second option. So let me check the second option. What is the second option given? X is 8 square. So in case if x is 8 square, let us substitute and check if it satisfies or not. So x is 8 square means 10 power k is 8 square. So this is 10 power k whole power k. So 8 square whole power k equal to 64 into 10 power k is again 8 square. So 8 power 2k is equal to 8 power 4. So if 2k is 4, k will be 2. So k equal to, is it going to satisfy? If I put k as 2 here, 10 power 2 square minus 2. So equal to 8 square.
Into one, sir.
It's not satisfying. Something is wrong. Let me verify that once again. Uh, 2 by x plus x power log x base 10. Actually, that is not visible clearly for me. What is the base of that? I think base of the logarithm might be different. I'll take a screenshot and see, because it is very small. I can't see that properly. Actually, it is very small to see. That's why I'm not able to see. I think it won't satisfy with base 10. Base could be different, 8 or something. I think so. So once you change the base and try, without 10, you make it 8 and see. Suppose if I make it 8, will it work? So if you are assuming that log x base 8 as k, assuming that instead of 10, the base is 8, x is 8 power k. So in the denominator, you will get 8 power 3k. In the numerator, you will get 8 power k, whole power 3. And the right hand side is 8 power 6. So 8 power 3k square minus 3k is equal to 8 power 6. Or 3k square minus 3k is equal to 6. K square minus k equal to 2. So based on this, if you solve it, k square minus k minus 2 is 0. The factors are k plus 1 into k minus 2 equals 0. So k equal to minus 1 or 2. So then what will be x? 8 power k, which means 8 power minus 1 or 8 power 2. So what was the answer given? 8 square, no?
Yes, sir.
I think it was not visible for me. It looked like 10. I wrote 10 usually because I give 10. The base should be 8. Then only it will work. So just correct that everything is same. Only thing, base must be different. So that was second one. Let me give the third problem. The third problem is from JEE 2020 based on number of integral terms. If the number of integral terms in the expansion of, if the number of integral terms in the expansion of 3 power 1 by 2 plus 5 power 1 by 8 whole power n is exactly 33. If the number of integral terms is exactly 33, then the least value of n is, first option is 264, second option is 256, third option is 128, fourth option is 248. So number of integral terms means that the value of the term has to be an integer. How many such terms are there? So actually there is a shortcut for number of integral terms. The shortcut is the power n divided by LCM of this denominators of fractions. 2 and 8 LCM is 8. So LCM of these two numbers, step of this plus 1 is the formula for number of integral terms. So you know that LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. So step of n by 8 plus 1 is the number of integral terms. It should be equal to 33. So for what value of n it is going to hold? When I take 256, 256 by 8 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. It will hold for this option. So let me check the answer given. 10. So they have given second. Yeah. So you can use the shortcut directly. For number of integral terms, the formula is the index divided by LCM of this denominators of fractions, step of that plus 1. That is given as 33. So step of n by 8 plus 1 is 33. This will hold when n is 256.